How do they know how many stars are in our galaxy? Well, for a really long time we looked up into the sky and we were really mesmerized by how many stars were actually up there. In normal conditions we can see about 1,000 stars, but that pales in comparison to how many stars there really are. Unfortunately, we have no way currently to properly count all the stars in the Milky Way because we can't see some of them, and there are far too many. So how do we figure it out? The best way is to estimate using 3 different methods. The first is by taking an average cubic light year of space, finding how many stars are in it, and multiplying that number by the number of cubic light years in the galaxy. The second method is to measure the luminosity of a galaxy in watts, then divide that number by the average luminosity of a star. The final method is the most used and most complicated. Astronomers take a telescope and attach a spectroscope to it, which takes light and divides it into a rainbow of color. Depending on which colors are most visible tell you what elements are in the thing the light came from. To measure out the number of stars in the Milky Way, the colors that aren't in the spectroscope tell astronomers what elements are left in the stars, since different stars fuse different elements together. Once the elements are found, they're relayed to the average size of stars with those elements in them. Adding up the averages gives us the total mass of the galaxy, but if we take out all the useless things like black holes, dust, gas, and the ever-mysterious dark matter that makes up almost 90% of the galaxy's mass, then we have the total mass of all the stars in the galaxy. Once this number is averaged out, we can estimate there are between 100 billion and 1 trillion stars in the Milky Way. Just thought you should know.